Hello everyone. So if you want to know how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, and this moisturizer gives a long-lasting hydration. I really love this moisturizer. I have been using this for a very long time. I really hydrate my skin before putting on any makeup. Then to moisturize my lips, I'm using this Himalaya lip and it has a gel, a creamy texture, and I really love this. And next for concealer, I'm going on with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I apply it under my dark circles, on the bridge of my nose, and the places where I have discolorations. Then next I use this a fluffy brush and blend it all out. Make sure that you take your time to blend the concealer. Then for compact powder, I'm going on with this Pierre Cardin compact powder and I apply it mostly on the center of my face. This compact powder provides so much of coverage and it really hides my discolorations. Next, I'm going on with this Ofra Miami palette and using this peachy blush shade. I apply it on the apples of my cheeks and I usually apply with the small brush and I take my time to blend it. Next, for highlighter, I'm using Magic City highlighter and applying it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, and a little bit on my chin as well. And this gives that subtle highlight. Next, for eyebrows, I'm going on with this Hue Brow Eyebrow Gel, and this gel really puts my brows on place and gives that clean look. Then I'm curling my lashes for mascara. Today I'll be using the Clinique mascara. I apply it on the upper lashes and coat it up to 2 or 3 times until I get satisfied. And eyelashes really makes a difference on makeup. Then for that glossy lips, I'm using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Mischievous, and this provides matte as well as that glowy lips. And yeah, this is how the look turned out to be. And if you guys liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.